Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty and the Beast. Got Jacob here with me. It's beautiful white R. Here it is. Looking clean even though it's dirty. Beautiful rims. Anyways, here's my Golf R. You guys haven't seen it too often. It is finally out on the road. I got to, it's not holding the right amount of boost right now because the wastegate, I need to tighten it up. It's opening up too early. It's opening up at 10 psi when we're requesting 22 pounds. Just starting out, low boost after the build and big turbo. But anyways, today what we're gonna do is I have some carbon fiber fenders that I'm gonna be replacing here. And hopefully it'll give me a little bit of a wider, fender, because as you can see, my fenders are kind of beat here because they've been rubbed. I mean, these tires are massive. The brakes are big. I had to put spacers on my rims because I needed to clear the big brakes. But anyway, so we're going to do a video on how to take off your fenders. Alright guys, so here are what the carbon fiber fenders look like. They are. You got the little vent there. Yeah, both of them. I can show you the back. Looks like a pretty nice mold. Hopefully they fit as good as they look. Hey guys, so just a little bit of an update here. I've got the fenders off. As you can see, I just did a power wash. I tried to clean it a little bit. It was pretty gunked up there. So it was nice to actually get to clean it, because you'll never see this unless you take off your fenders. And it was pretty mucked up, but it's going pretty good. Our next step is to start installing the new ones now. As you can see, here's my oil cooler. Yep. All right. See ya. Well guys, we are done finally. I'll get to show you how it looks in just a minute. I think we lost some of the time lapse. The battery died on us, so some of it might not all be there. It took a little bit longer than we thought. We started around, no, you don't think so?
An afternoon.
About an afternoon. Yeah, they did say it would take about an afternoon, and it did. So anyways, here is how it looks. Came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it.
Fitment spot on.
Yeah, I now no longer have Mk6 flush. As you can see, it's still a little dirty. Some smudge marks. I'll have to give it a good bath once it's done. Real vents. Yeah. Quite actually happy with it, yeah. Here you go. This side. I think it turned out real nice. No more rubbing. Well, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't subscribed or anything, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. As always, have a good time.